Hi, it's Leslie at Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and today we're making ornament cookies. So let's start by outlining the ornament part of our cookie with a 15-second royal icing consistency and flood that in. My icing is a little bit too thick, so I'm going to have to work a little bit to settle it down. So using a scribe or a toothpick, you can gently wiggle the icing until it all settles down and becomes smooth. I let my cookie dry completely while I did other cookies, and now I'm going to go back and pipe in the top of the ornament and let that dry. And then I'm going to put some dots on my ornament. I'm using white gel food color and a dot brush, and I'm just pressing straight down to make the dots. I like how the dot brush leaves the centers not quite as dark as the outline edges of the dots, and it gives a really nice effect. Now I'm going to go back to the ornament top and put some lines going from the top to the bottom. And then I'm taking a very slightly dampened paintbrush and I'm just going to kind of push down the edges of those lines, so it looks like the lines curl around the ornament top. Now, using a very small rose tip or petal tip, I'm going to do some leaves for the holly. And I will leave a link in the description as to what size tip I was using. And then I'm going to add the rest of the greenery by taking a stiffer royal consistency icing and just making big balls and dragging them up to the top. So make a big ball of icing, stop squeezing, and then drag it up to the top, and keep doing that on alternating sides of your stem. Now I'm going to go back to my white icing in a detailed consistency, and I'm going to write the word joy on my cookie. And then I'm going to go back and make the downstrokes a bit wider. And then I'm going to use my scribe, or you can use a toothpick, to kind of shape those downstrokes and get the icing the way I want it. Now I don't like my O, so I'm going to remove a section and repipe it so that it's more round. And then I'm going to go back to the greenery and add the red hollyberry. I'm going to do one and let it dry, and then I'll go back and add the others. I also have a stem up here that I'm going to put a few yellow dots for flowers on, and then this cookie will be done. I really like how pretty they come out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like and subscribe button. I have new cookie tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and happy holidays.